Hi children, now we are going to look at one and more than one. One, many. And that name is singular. When it is one, we say singular noun. When you have more than one, we say plural. So singular noun, plural noun. It's a very interesting exercise identifying singular, plural. When it is plural, look at the change. Okay? When it's one, we write. When it's many, we have to add on something. Alright? Let's look at singular, plural, a short, interesting exercise. Look. We add es, adding es to a word to make it plural. To the singular noun, we add es to a word. Alright? Let's look at. Kurt, our first picture, look. What did we say? We're going to add es to the word. What do we have here? We have one bus. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number 1 here, bus. How do you spell bus? B-U-S, bus. That is singular. One bus. Now when you have more than one, 1, 2, 3, 4, we add es here to this word to form the plural noun. Yes? Good. So bus and we add es. That's where we put that in red. Bus, buses. B-U-S, bus, B-U-S-E-S. Okay? Good. Good. Bus, buses. Every time we have a singular noun, if you add one es, we get the plural form. So singular, plural. Let's look at another picture. Look. What is this? What do you use this for? Painting, yes. You love to paint in your book. This is a brush. And here what do you see? Different sizes. Number of brush here you find. 1, 2, another brush, another red. Lovely, isn't it? Now, this is a brush. You use it to paint. Touch the paint and color in your book. How do you spell brush? B-R-U-S-H, brush. One brush, singular noun. Now to form the plural, we add es here to get the plural noun. Singular, one brush. Many, good, brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. We add es. One brush. Singular, brush. Plural, brushes. Did you enjoy? Good. Lovely. Let's go on to look at more pictures to form plural. Yes? Good. Here we are. What do we have? Where do you see this? Yes, it's a match. During Diwali, you must be saying like this. You light it, different colors come out. Yes? It's a match. Matchstick. How do you spell match? M-A-T-C-H. Match. Matchstick. It's one here. And we have 1, 2, 3 here. How do you form the plural? By adding es. Good. One matchstick. 3 matches. 3 matchsticks. So is it match? Matches. M-A-T-C-H-E-S. And there are many, we add es. Match, matches. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look here. What do we see here? What do you use this for? Bench, yeah, for sitting. Some classrooms have benches. Bench. Spell bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. One bench. Where you use for sitting. More than one person can sit. Let's look at. Here we have 1, 2, 3. To form the plural, what do we do? B-E-N-C-H plus E-S. Benches. One bench, 3 benches. Let's look at benches, benches. One bench, three benches. Singular bench, plural, benches. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go on to another picture. And let's form the word by adding es. Let's form the plural form. Look at this. What is this? It's a bowl. Yes? It's a bowl. Curd. Now, here you have one and you have 1, 2, 3. How do you spell bowl? It's a dish. Okay, serving dish. You can put anything in it. You can put milk, you can put pudding, you can put fruits, anything. One dish, and we have 3 here. One dish, another dish, another dish. Now, spell dish. D-I-S-H, dish. You have a dish here. You can put anything into that dish. It's an empty dish. To form the plural, we add es. 1, 2, 3 dishes. One dish, 3 dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Singular dish, plural, dishes. Good. Let's look at another picture. Shall we? Here we are. What is this? Glass. What does mommy say? Be careful. Don't drop the glass. It'll break. So we have a glass here and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colored ones. How do you spell glass? G-L-A-S-S, glass. One glass. And you have many, 2 glasses. You add es. So one glass, singular. Many glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. One, many. Singular, plural. We added es to form the plural. Did you learn? Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another picture and form the plural by adding es. Look. The lovely, pretty dress. You like a long dress? Yes. And there are how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. How do you spell dress? D R E S S, dress. It's a beautiful black long dress. And if you have more than one, how to form the plural? You add es here. So we say singular dress, plural dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S-S. You add es to form the plural. Dress, dresses. One dress, many dresses. Did you learn? Did you enjoy? Let's go on to look at another picture. Look. What is this? Bush. You like to hide in the bush? Yeah, you play hide and seek. You hide. Your little dog will go hiding and you go finding the little dog. This is a bush. Spell bush. B-U-S-H, bush. And we have such 4 types here. 1, 2, 3, 4. To form the plural, we add es. Bush, bushes. 1 bush, 4 bushes. We have in our garden. So bush, bushes. How do you spell bushes? B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Singular bush, plural bushes. Good. Let's go on to look at another picture. What do we have here? Fox. Cunning fox. Yes? Look at the fox. He's looking. And how many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Such fox. So how do you spell fox? F-O-X, fox. And we have 9 foxes to form. You add es to form the plural. 1 fox, many foxes. Fox, foxes. Singular, plural. F-O-X-E E-S. One fox, many foxes. Did you enjoy, children? Let's go on to another picture. Look. You love to eat this? Yummy. Juicy. What is this? Peach. Yes? It's a color and a fruit. How do you spell peach? P-E-A-C-H. Peach. And you have several of them. 1, 2, 3. Singular peach. To form the plural, we add es. Yes? Peach. Peaches. You add es. P-E-A-C-H. Add es. Peaches. Singular, plural. Peach. Peaches. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. What is this? Wristwatch. You wear it on your hand. Yes? You have a watch here. And how many here? Oh, so many watches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch. Singular. Let's spell W-A-T-C-H. Watch. One watch. And when you have 10, you add es to form the plural. Watch. Watches. W-A-T-C-H. You add es. Watch. Watches. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. This is you have seen the story. Good and bad witches. What do they do? The witches, good witches, good, are fairies. They come blessing. And here in the story, you might have seen the witches flying on a broomstick. How do you spell witch? W-I-T-C-H. Witch. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Several of them. So we add es to form the plural. Witch, one witch, 4 witches. W-I-T-C-H-E-S. Singular witch, plural witches. Witch, witches. Did you learn, children? Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look what you have here. When do you use this? When current goes off in the night, the dog barks, daddy takes this and he flashes to the gate. Torch. It's a torch light. When you put it on, it gives a powerful light. Torch. T-O-R-C-H. Torch. One torch. That is singular. To form the plural, we add es. We have 2 here. One torch, another one torch. So, singular torch, plural torches. T-O-R-C-H-E-S. One torch, 2 torches. Singular torch, plural torches.